Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. One of the easiest interlocking rings. So if you look, this goes over, under, over, under. So it's like it's interlocked. But I just started thinking about a pretty cool way to do this and save a little time. So we're going to draw this. I'm going to take a square. I'm going to take the control button along with the shape tool, and I'm going to bring in these two corners. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate and get the two-sided arrow and go over. Control D, get another two-sided arrow and go down. I'm going to make these things, here's a little, it only goes to 36 points. Well, you can type anything you want. I'm going to go 60. I'm going to go 75. Okay. But I'm going to go, just to make sure, I'm going to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. And then I'm going to left click, right click, and you see the overlapping line. So I can weld this now and it becomes one piece. I'm going to hit P. Very important. You got to hit P. I'm going to fill it in with red. I'm going to control D and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees and I'm going to turn that one blue. Now, because I'm working, you know what, I'm going to take away the outline on both of them. Because I'm working in the center of the page, I don't have to do those four overlapping, interlocking. I'm going to take my rectangle. As long as I can see all four white deals, I'm going to select the box, shift select the blue, go up here to intersect, and look at that. Now I'm going to take away my box. I'm going to grab my blue, and I'm going to go up to Object, Order, Back of Page. So now the blue is behind, but if you nudge this one back, now it's in front. Because we're working at the center of the page, Control D, Alternate C, and rotate that little part 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So now we've got under, over, under, over, under, over. And it saves so much time. Anyway, so try the Intersect tool. It's a pretty cool tool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.